Welcome back, YouTube and YouTube subscribers. Scoofy here, back with another video for you guys today. And before we get on into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, invite your friends and family, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. All right, that being said, also make sure you go to the beconsistent.com website so you can get your hands on a free hoodie. We are still running the free hoodie giveaway. It goes to December, I can't remember the day, but it ends in December. So if you want to get in the giveaway for the Be Consistent hoodie, make sure you guys go to the website. All right, without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay guys, so today we have a pretty cool unboxing, and I don't think there's much hype around this shoe. I am kind of curious on what this shoe looks like. I think it's gonna look better in person. I just think the type of shoe that it is, people don't like them anymore. People are all about hype and what's the most hype shoe. So, you know, certain models don't do too well if there isn't any hype behind it. All right, that being said, let's go ahead and open this thing up and see how they look in person. First off, I was able to hit this on the raffle. It just seemed like it was easy to win. You know, but hey, we hit. So just want to show you guys what these look like, because honestly, I'm not a big five guys myself, but I do think this white colorway is pretty nice. So, and I didn't like the Maniére 4s last year. I did hit on the 4s, but I did not like those. They just didn't sit well with me. So these, I am pretty curious to see what they look like in hand. They kind of remind me of the Grape 5s, so I'm curious to see if they look pretty much similar to that. You did get a size 11.5, aka that's a 10 in men's. So that's the size we got. See the Jordan logo there, size, everything like that. Blue box, the box is blue. Of course, your standard Maniére paper. And boom, here they are. So it's like a gray. Oh wow, I had this colorway way wrong. When I seen them in pictures, I thought it was white. I thought this shoe was white, and I thought this was like a purple. So this looks completely different than what I saw in pictures, if I'm being honest. Maybe I just didn't look hard enough, but I didn't know it was blue. So maybe that's on me, because usually they do that purple, like purple kind of color. And I think they're only doing that on the black colorway. I think it's that purple. But what's really cool is how they were able to get that little A right there, the Maniére A. I don't know if you can see it, but they were able to put it on there. That's pretty cool. So I do like that about it. But they're cool, you know. Well, they do have a thinner tongue than your standard Jordan 5. So I do like the Nike Air on the back. I think that looks really good. But we are going to get a better look at them. We're going to take them outside so you guys can really see the details on these. But I just want to show you guys first, fresh out the box, what they look like. I can see why somebody would pass on these, if I'm being honest. I mean, they're cool, but they're definitely not something I would pick up, if I'm being honest. I thought that these were similar to the Grape 5s. I don't know why they look more white in the pictures, but these are definitely not white. They're more like a gray. It almost seems like it's a 3M. Like, it looks white to you guys, but it looks gray to me in person. So let's go ahead and take a look at how they look in detail so you guys can get a better look at it. There you go. This is pretty much what it looks like in person. It's got that hint of blue. Like, I love that blue color, but it's just, I don't know, these just ain't hitting for me. I don't like the materials, especially for 269 bucks. This is definitely a shoe I would skip on for sure. But hey, I wanted to get it for purposes of seeing what they look like in person, because they looked really good in pictures. I'm not even gonna lie, the white pair looks pretty good, but these, I don't know, I'm not digging them. There's your yellow bottom with the Nike. They're cool. Definitely a pass for me. All right, let me know if you guys picked these up. What are your thoughts on the Maniére 5s? They feel pretty light too. They're not really heavy at all either, so I will say that. But all in all, it's a cool shoe. I think the black pair would do better just because it's wintertime. But yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Goofy here. Subscribe to the channel, invite your friends and family, and I'm out.